Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Keeping this very easy and simple today. Nice midweek, maybe budget, fast meal. We're going to do some tuna vegetable fried rice. You can use any veg that you like that you've got hanging about in the fridge. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at our ingredients then. So tuna, I've got a couple of cans of tuna there. I've got some, well, the vegetables are up to you really. I've got some zucchini or courgette, bell peppers, onion, cauliflower, carrots, garlic and green onions, and of course I've got my rice here. I've got cooked cold basmati rice. I always think it's best if you use cold rice. Very easy. Let's get to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can change that if you want to something else. We're going to chop in our chopped garlic. We're going to add our onion. Everything's cut nice and small, by the way. We're going to add our carrots. Now if you had celery or something like that, you'll be adding that now as well. And our cauliflower. Basically we're just getting in our hardest vegetables first. High heat, I'll see you in 3 minutes. Keep it moving. So still nice and crunchy. Let's now get in our zucchini or courgette, whatever you call that. Our bell peppers. Think about adding maybe some mushrooms or something like that, some other veg. I'm now going to add salt, black pepper. If you wanted a bit of chili powder or something like that, I'm happy there. Now we're going to add in our canned tuna. And again, I'll see you in about 3 to 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. So super easy this, and really tasty. Right, let's get our rice in. Cold, cooked rice. I'm using basmati. Staying on this high heat, 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Don't do it less than 5 minutes. I was going to end up with a vegetable rice salad. You need to actually fry the rice. See you then. Can you hear that? That's the rice frying. You need to fry it. If you get a little bit of brown or blackening on it, it's actually really nice. Gives it a nice flavour. Okay, we're done. Off goes that heat. We've got a very simple, beautiful tuna vegetable fried rice, a few green onions on there. If you want a little splash of soy sauce maybe or something like that. But yeah, keeping it nice and easy today. Nice kind of easy budget meal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.